Hi everyone, I wanted to show you that obviously if you're getting ready for work and you want to do your nails quite quickly, I want to show you some nice and easy ways you can do your nails to make your nails look nice. So these are my nails at the moment, and these are not my real nails. Believe it or not, these are press-ons. My real nails are actually underneath. If you look, these have lifted a little bit because I've had them on for a while, but you can see my real nails are not far off the length of these, especially on this hand. Ooh. Got smut in my nail this morning by the looks on it. I'll get that off after. So what I do, believe it or not, these are from the pound shop, and they are these. These are makeup accessories by Well Polished, I think, and it just says 24 nails with glue. I don't use glue. What I use is adhesive little pads, so I use these, so then I can remove the nails whenever I want and it doesn't damage my nails underneath. But yeah, these are from the pound shop. Let me just open them because they're always put. What's on that? Oh, what's on that? Oh, got something sticky on my knife. Right, clean that off after. I've got sticky fingers now. Oh. Ew. I think that was some, that's from when I opened my polygel and I forgot to wipe the blade off. Never mind. So, I'm going to show you these. And like I said, these are only £1. So in the pack you get a little pot of glue. This glue is actually pretty good. I got a week's wear out of my nails with this and only one popped off. But like I said, I don't use it. I bought a load of these adhesive sticky pads. You can just get them off Amazon. Not sponsored or anything, it's just these were nice and cheap, and they're like a double-sided sticky pad that goes on your nail and it sticks the false nail to your real nail, and works very, very well. I find these last at least a week. I haven't tested past a week because I get bored and like to change my nails, but I can get a week out of my nails dead easy with these, definitely. These ones are the short square with a French tip, and they have a slight shimmery pink colour to the area where the nail bed would be. This is what they look like, and this is how thick they are, and they feel quite strong. They're quite hard. You can feel them flex a little bit, but they are hard to like squish, so they're quite strong actually, and it's just a case of matching them up with your nail. Not that size, where's the bigger one? And that's roughly what I've got on now. And all you do is you stick the adhesive pad on your finger, press the nail in place, and then all you have to do is file the little piece of plastic sticking up from the top, just to remove that little sharp bit from where it was on the like original sprue at the manufacturers, and dead easy. So I'm going to show you with my thumb. So first of all, I need to remove the one I've got on, and with these, basically you get under one end, and I'm not doing this hard, just gently pushing to separate where the adhesive pad and my nail is. As you can see, it's not hard, it's not damaging my nail underneath. My nail underneath has a layer of clear UV gel on it to protect it. So this is my real nail underneath. And what I normally just do when I'm going to use these is I'll go around and just trim my cuticles and get rid of any dead skin, that sort of thing. I haven't got my thing with me that does this. Hold on, it's just Scrape that little bit off there. And I just scrape away at my cuticle. Just going to wipe that with baby wipe just to make sure it's nice and clean. I do have dry sidewalls on this nail, but I've just got to keep putting my cuticle oil on. I've forgot for the past few days. So all you do is you size up the tip with your nail. Obviously you could just paint your natural nails if they're this length, but sometimes I just want to be quick and don't want to do anything to my natural nail. So I just put these on. Obviously I am getting to the stage I won't be able to use them, obviously. So yeah, you choose your sticky pad, and you want one that covers as much of the nail bed as possible. And they're quite sticky. And you place it, you don't want it on the cuticle. Let's see if I'm zoomed in. There we go. So I've placed it so it's not on the cuticle, just a little gap, because you don't want this to be stuck to your cuticle, because that's just going to cause lifting. And then you take off the little clear plastic cover like this, and this is the sticky pad, and it's quite sticky, and I like to make sure it's nice and smooth and spread it out a bit. And then you take your tip that you're going to apply, place it where your cuticle is, get it nice and straight, and then press down firmly, and that's it. And then all you have to do is file off that little bit sticking up at the top. I tend to take the corners off ever so slightly as well, because sometimes they're a bit sharp. And that's it. And these will last a week, dead easy, even with like washing up and stuff. The only thing you will get is, because there can be a little bit of the sticky showing just under here, you sometimes get like fluff and stuff stuck under them, and you just have to clean that off. So like on this one, see there's like a little dark patch there, that's just a bit of fluff that's stuck on. It's just a case of scraping that off to remove it. So that's why I try not to get the sticky pad to overlap the end of my natural nail, so I can prevent these little patches. And what I do is just take nail scissors and just snip off the little bit that's sticking up, if I can get it. Come here, little git. I've got to change this one anyway. So it's just, yeah, this one's popping off because I've had it on for a week. So yeah, you sometimes get like a little bit of fluff if there's been a gap as it starts to lift. But as you can see, it's dead easy to remove. And then all I've got to do is choose my replacement sticky pad and stick it on. Well, that's not very good, is it? Like so. This nail, sometimes they sit a bit funny on it because I've got a little bit of build-up of product on this one to strengthen it a bit, because it went a bit flimsy, this nail did. Change the tip. Is that one? Yep. Okay. Sticky pad, and put that in place like so. File off corners a little bit, and that little sticking up bit of sprue. And there you go. That's how quick it is, dead quick, and easy. And like I said, these only cost £1 from the pound shop, and then it was like, I think it was about £5 for about 100 sheets of this with these sticky pads on. So yeah, nice, cheap, easy way to, oops, not the camera, sorry about that. Nice, cheap and easy way to do your nails. Don't damage your nail underneath. And yeah, and also tips to prevent damaging your nails is wear a undercoat, like a polish coat underneath. I use UV clear gel because it's harder wearing and lasts longer. Use that on your natural nail first to make sure they're protected, and it gives them a little bit of strength as well. And then use sticky pads instead of glue, and you can have nice nails with no damage to your nails underneath. And this is how I grew out my nails, because I broke about 3 or 4 of them, and what I did was I wore these to make my nails look nice until I grew them back out. If you look, I did break this one, so this one's a lot shorter than that one. What have I got on my nail? Sorry about that. So I've got like fluff under my nail. Change the pad on this one in a bit. But as you can see, this nail is considerably longer than that one because I broke that one. And I broke my thumbnail. So this one is shorter than this one. Not by a lot though, to be fair. So yeah. This is the only aggravating thing, is the I've had my hand in my pocket on my one hoodie, and the hoodie's new, so the fluff's getting everywhere. And this nail as well, I actually like broke further down, and I've had to repair it as well. But yeah, that's how to make your nails look nice while you wait for them to grow out. Or you could just wear these if you don't want to grow out your natural nails, or you can't grow out your natural nails. Ignore the marks on here. I've been painting, so I've got paint on them. So yeah, nice easy way to do your nails, dead easy to remove as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.